Good morning everyone. You have learned about singular and plural before. Singular means one and plural means more than one. You can frame a plural from a singular word by adding s at the end of this word, and you also follow some rules for making plural words. Add s, x, z, sh, ch. When the word end with s, x, z, sh, add es at the end of this word to make plural. For example, the plural of boxes, boxes. The plural of buses, buses. Torch is singular and plural is torches. torches. When a word end with y, remove y at the end of this word and add ies. Example, lady, remove y and add ies. It means the plural of lady is ladies. When word end with f and fe, remove f and fe at the end of the word and add ves to make plural. For example, singular is leaf and the plural of leaf is leaves, leaves. Remove f and add ves. Some naming words cannot be made plural in this way. To form plural of these words, the whole word is changed. Means some words change totally, don't follow and rule. So how can you frame a plural of this word? You have to learn about this. The plural of child is children. Plural of man is man. This is singular and this is plural. Plural of woman is woman. Plural of foot is feet. Plural of mouse is mice. Goose is singular and plural is geese. Plural of ox is oxen. First exercise have already done by us. Today we will do our next exercise.
Now take out your English grammar books, chapter number 4, singular and plural naming words, page number 25. Exercise A have already done by us. We have already done exercise A. Start with exercise B. Exercise B is add VES to form the plural form of this naming words. Means these are singulars and we write plural of these words. So these words end with F. Remove F from here and add VES at the end of these words. First LEAF, leaf. The plural of leaf is LEAVES, leaves. Second, shelf. Remove F and add VES. So the plural of shelf is shelves. SHELVES. Third, loaf. Remove F and add VES. The plural of loaf is loaves. LOAVES. Fourth, knife. It is singular and plural is KNIVES, knives. Fifth, wife. Remove FE and add VES. So the plural of wife is WIVES, wives. Sixth, thief. The plural of thief is thieves. THIEVES. Exercise C. Add IES to form the plural form of these naming words. How can we make plural with the singulars? Remove Y and add IES. First, CHERRY, cherry. It's singular and plural of cherry is cherries. CHERRIES. Second, baby. Plural is babies. BABIES. Third, story. Plural is stories. STORIES. Fourth, lily. Plural of lilies, lilies. LILIES. Fifth, family. Plural is FAMILIES. Families. Sixth, lorry. Plural is LORRIES. Lorries. Next exercise D. Write the plural of the given naming word. You have already learned about these words. So the plural of ox is oxen, OXEN. Man is singular and plural is MEN, men. Third, woman. It's singular and plural is WOMEN, woman. Fourth, goose. It's singular and plural is GEESE, geese. Next exercise E. Fill in the blank with the correct form of the given words. There are some words that written in this brackets, that written in this box. Write here correct word with correct form. First, there are many in the sky. What is in the sky? Kite. And plural of kite is kites. So there, because many means more than one. So there are many kites in the sky. Second, the is eating hay. Who is eating hay? Horse. So the horse is eating hay. Third, the are playing in the garden. Who are playing in the garden? Children. Sorry, children is not given in the box. So the right answer is boys. BOYS, boys. The boys are playing in the garden. Fifth, the is crying. Who is crying? Baby. So the right answer is baby. The baby is crying. Fifth, the are in the bag. The books are in the bag. We use plural when more than one thing, and we use singular. Singular means one. 6. The is mewing. The cat is mewing. 7th, the is burning. The house is burning. 8th, there are no in the vase. There are no flowers in the vase. Exercise F. Correct the mistakes and rewrite the sentences. First, there are many orange on the trees. Many means more than one. So the plural of orange is oranges. There are many oranges on the trees. Second, I like to travel in a buses. In this sentence, buses is plural. So we use bus. I like to travel in a bus. A means one. So what is the correct word? Bus. Third, this is the best school in the city. Best is used for only one school. So the correct is this is the best school in the city, not schools. Fourth, there are many child in the park. Many means more than one. So what can we use here? Children, not child. The plural of child is children. There are many children in the park. Next, Betty takes a packet of toffee to school. The plural of toffee is toffees, and the packet contains many toffee. So the correct sentence is Betty takes a packet of toffees to school. Next, why are there so many birds in the sky? As you know, many means more than one. So the plural of bird is birds. Why are there so many birds in the sky? So singular means one. Singular naming words show one, and plural naming words show more than one. Singular naming words can be changed into plural naming words by adding s, es, ies, ves at the end of this word. Okay, thank you.